disappointed if all we get is bird seed. She did mention there might be some at the self-checkout, but I don't know why they'd have multiple spots for candles.
Yeah, I know, that does seem weird.
What are those? Are those candles? No. Yeah. No. We're at the end of Humphreys. Yeah.
That's where they'd be. Sporting, hunting, fishing.
What do you think? Should we try the self-checkout?
He says, what do I care? Just get birdseed.
You know that's why I'm here, Mom. Yeah, you're the best baby in the world. Oh, I love you.
Benji, do you look around and say, what can I destroy? What would be fun to destroy?
Okay, then we're gonna go down this aisle here. I think it's one of these two. Midwest Blend. There it is.
Hi, Benjamin. Yeah, I agree.
Looking for the big bags. Big bags. Oh, look at that. Cob corn in a bag.
Nice.
All right.
He likes to stretch.
Can you push on the cart so it doesn't move?
You bet.
Well,
I
this is
feel like
frustrating.
that wasn't my best camera work, though.
Jeepers creepers. Yeah. You're so cute. After all, that was a hassle. I'm only going to do that once. What about this thing?
Do you need more than one?
Those are really cardinal things. Let's put that in here. Since we don't have any candles.
And I could lift this up and then put it back down. Like
Actually, push it forward.
forward.
There you go.
Caught up.
There.
Like that.
Thank you. You did that very well, little man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I lost a little tiny feather again.
Yeah, I just saw one fly by me.
Oh my God, you're so cute. Okay. Yeah. You just have so many little tiny things to say.